She was just 5 years old. You know there's nothing happened at all. Every time she put on the radio, there was nothing going down at all. Not at all. One fine morning she puts on a New York station and she couldn't believe what she heard at all. She started dancing to that fine music. Woo! I like to say I like it roll. Hey baby, rock and roll. Despite all the amputations, you could dance to rock and roll station, and it was alright. It was alright. Hey baby. Jenny said when she was just 5 years old,